Okay, followers, well, let's take a second to talk about the Linux kernel. And no, I'm not talking about popcorn. Okay, so what is the Linux kernel? Why do you need it? Well, think of it like this. We've got our hardware on one side, our software on the other side, and we need some way to communicate. So that's where the Linux kernel comes into play. The kernel basically provides specialized system calls for the software so that your system is able to basically bridge the gap between hardware and software. Now, let's talk a little bit specifically about the Linux kernel. There are different types of kernels, but in this case, we're going to be talking about the Linux kernel. So, first, it was created by Linus Torvald in 1991. They are still actively developing it to this day, and we're around version 5.xx. It's used widely across a vast number of hardware platforms. Now, what makes the Linux kernel so special? Well, it's because it's free, fast, and open source, meaning that any user can freely download, modify, and compile the Linux kernel at will. All right, everybody, hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.